Quick guide of Kinedyne HM-750L leather sewing machine servo motor. 1. Set the sewing speed. Press the plus or minus button to adjust the sewing speed. After selecting the sewing speed, release the button. 2. Sewing machine light switch. S button is the switch for sewing machine light. Press this button, the LED is on, sewing machine light is on. Press this button again, the LED is off, sewing machine light is off. 3. Key combination. Press and hold P key and press plus key, enter parameter setting. Press plus or minus key to select the parameter. 4. Set motor rotation direction. Select P02. Press the P key to enter. In this interface, you can set motor rotation direction, 1 for forward rotation, 0 for reverse rotation. Double press the S key to confirm and return to the home page. 5. Sewing gear selection. Enter parameter setting, select P27. Press P to enter. Select proper gear according to your sewing machine and thickness material. 0 and 1 for light-weight sewing machines. 2 for medium-weight sewing machines. 3 for heavy-duty sewing machines. 4 for extra heavy-duty sewing machines. The material in video is very thin, so we can select 0 or 1. Double press the S key to confirm and return to the home page. 6. Select needle up and down position. Press and hold P key and press plus key, enter parameter setting. Select parameter P26. Press P to enter. At this time, the interface displays 0000, indicating that the needle position function is turned off. Press the plus key to adjust it to 0001, indicating that the needle position function is turned on. Press the S key twice to confirm and return to the main interface. P is the button for switch needle up and down position. If the upper LED light is on, needle up position is selected. Up needle position is ideal for straight seam without corners. Whenever release the foot pedal, sewing machine stop. The needle will stop in up position. You can remove the work directly. Press P button. The lower LED will light up. Needle down position is selected. Down needle position is ideal for sewing corners. Whenever sewing machine stops, the needle always stops in the down position. You can easily pivot the work to change sewing direction. Will not lose the stitch. And at end of sewing, lift needle by heeling the foot pedal backward. Then the work can be removed and thread snipped. 7 HM-750L Reset Factory Settings. Step 1. Press and hold P key and press plus key, enter parameter setting, displays as P00. Step 2. Press on S key for over 3 seconds, till the panel shows. Step 3. Release the S key, factory reset is complete. If you have any additional question, or contact our engineer at info@automatic-sewing.com. Thank you for your time.